working. Big surprise there. Dang. Hey everyone, so I got a buffer and some cutting compound, some medium grit cutting compound. We're gonna see if all these cat scratches will come out of the car. I'll show you what I'm talking about. That's why I wanted to wash it really well. You see all these scratches? All the way down it. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the microfiber cloth, wipe this thing down, get this Meguiar's, oh that's the swirl remover, get the Meguiar's medium cut cleaner, and we'll see if we can take some of those out. So we'll be right back with this time lapse. Peace. Well, I'm not going to get a professional job, but boy, that looks so much better. So let's keep going with the rest of it, see what we can do. I sort of want to do that hood and see what it turns out like. Guess we can try that next. So let's try the hood and see what it turns out like and see if we want to keep going or what we want to do. So, all right, we'll be right back with some more buffing. Working on the electrical side of this Elcamino today. And to start there, we need to hook up the battery. Now let me start out by telling you what it's not doing. The left headlight or right headlight is working, left headlight is not. The right brake light is working, but the left one is not. So let's see if they're working right now. Yeah. Okay. So we know the right headlight is working. And to figure out if the left headlight is working, or if it's just a bulb or not, I'll come over here and I'll grab my test light. So we got a test light. I tried buffing on this a little bit, and I am not a detailer, but it did shine up a little bit. So, but I'm not a good detailer. So let's get y'all situated where you might be able to see what I'm talking about. We will find a suitable ground. And right now the outside headlight is on. So I'm going to unplug it. Well, first let me test my test light. Make sure the ground is working. And it is, but not a very good one. Let's see. Where is a better ground? I wonder. Come all the way over there. Yeah, okay. Function test. The test light is working. Just so we function test it. Now we'll come over here. We'll unplug this outer headlight. Ooh. Well, that tells us it's a headlight, and it just ripped right off of the light itself. So now we know we need a headlight over here. Okay, that's easy enough. Let's pull these plugs out because, well, that tells us that the negative side is good, or the positive side, actually. Maybe. Oh, look at there. Okay, it is working. So, now that we know the positive side is good, we will test the negative side. Function test. Negative side is also good. This is 4 wires, 2 are ground. Wonder if 2 are hot. Well, that one's hot. That one is not. I don't know what this one does. Let's see, it's a black wire. Well, I'm really mad at myself right now, but it made me stop looking like a complete idiot. We went to get some emery cloth from the other shop, got back to right here, and the sucker just died. Completely flat out died. And now I'm gonna end up pushing this sucker back towards the house. I don't know why it died. It just died. About to call my wife and tell her to come. Yeah, I'm just gonna call her and tell her to bring me my pickup. Oh, what a freaking mess. What a freaking mess. Jeez. Bring my Colorado. Hurry up, love you, bye. Jeez. I mean, just deader than a freaking doornail. So I'll get a strap out and she'll tow me to the house. I can't believe I did that. I recorded an hour of freaking footage. Time lapse. What do you do? I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching.